In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the customizer. So at this point, you have installed and activated the theme, you have activated the Kirky plugin, you have installed your theme license so you can get the updates. Now you're ready to start looking at all this information on the front page and customizing it to how you like. There's a couple ways to do it. One is from the dashboard. You can actually go to Appearance and you can click on Customize. But if you're looking at your front page and you're logged in, which you can tell by this bar up at the top, there's a Customize button here as well. So click Customize and you will see everything will open up. Now if you don't have all these options, it's because you didn't install the plugin. So you'll look at the previous video, but there should also be a very annoying announcement tag at the top of your dashboard that's going to be up here somewhere telling you you need to install that theme. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that. That will open up all of these different options on the customizer, and this is all pretty straightforward once you get to it. Your colors, your background image, your menus, widgets, I prefer to use those on the actual dashboard page. If I want to change my menus or my widgets, I prefer to go in here to Appearance and go to Widgets. It'll show you all your options. It's a lot easier to work with than trying to do it from the customizer. But site identity, you can actually come up here and you can display the title and the tagline if you'd like, one or the other or both. Or you have the option to upload your logo. If you click select logo, it'll give you the option to pull it from your media library or upload your logo from your desktop. Once you do that, it will get rid of both of these, the title and tagline. It's one or the other. When we go back, we'll see we have some other options. The home page settings, that's going to show you, what you use for your front page or your latest news, but we covered that in the first video. We did that not in the customizer. Header info is going to be this info up here, but one of the cool things is these selective refreshes. These are kind of new, not super new, but what you can do now is just click on this and it will actually open up the spot over here. So sorry, subheader text. We can actually start editing here and you can see that it's moving over here. Alright, and then I can click on this one or this one and it will automatically open up the appropriate spot in the customizer. So we'll go back here and kind of look at what your options are. You have some options for the footer, and then you have your front page columns, your front page boxes, and then of course if you go into something like the blog, you can see we kind of have like a background color here and some font colors here that you can access. And then also when you're like in some of the templates like the About sidebar, there is an appointment button. So you can actually change the text and the link on that as well. But just kind of play around with this. It's pretty straightforward once you start to use it. Just wanted to make sure you knew how to get to it. But once you're there, you just kind of click around and make the changes that you need. And that's it. That's the customizer.